day one of doing something random in the house because I don't know what to do anymore. Yeah, we're making this. I don't know how to say it in English. Bread. Yes, sir. And another slice of bread. Okay, now serious. Okay, so I don't think you're supposed to do it with... Yeah. God, I don't know. Oh, I don't know how to say it, but like normally I put cheese onto the bread, and then in this thing, this time I did chocolate. I hope the machine doesn't explode. So now we do this, and we do this, and we do that, and we do kablam. Allee. Ah, godverdomme. Wait a second. It worked. Hopefully the machine doesn't explode. Now we wait. While we wait, check what my mom got. Yeah. That, pretty cool, I guess. Back to our bread. Okay. This is not going good. The door is gonna be open because everything is stinking. But it's not even burnt or what? All right. Okay. The steam is coming out. Let me just grab a knife. And where the hell is my dog? Found it. Let's cut it. Yeah. Me cooking is not a good idea. Lesson learned, never let me cook anything.